Hi everyone, my paper pumpkins just arrived and that means I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. This box, by the way, is really pretty. I like the box, and that usually gives you a clue about what's inside. I love these pumpkins, so I think I am going to like what's inside. There's also an add-on possibility with this one, and I will show you that when I'm done because I did get it last month. It's really pretty also. Okay, so inside we have a stamp set. Oh, I like. So this image here makes this kind of leaf, and then here is a pumpkin, and that looks like a stem that you can add on top. So it's like a two-step. And then the words for this one, the sentiments are, let me grab a sheet of, oops. Let's see what it says. There is a thanks, for you, thank you, grateful for you, and one more, with love and gratitude. So it's really a pretty stamp set. I really like this pumpkin. It's kind of a view from the top, which is unusual. Usually you see the side view of a pumpkin. So anyway, that's really pretty. So it looks like this. I'm looking forward to stamping with that. All right, so then our color is Lost Lagoon. And if you have heard me before talk about Lost Lagoon, I love Lost Lagoon. And it used to be a color, there's an in color, like a temporary color many years ago. And they brought it back as a permanent like color family color in with the Subtles family. And I love this color. I even painted, I brought in many years ago a sheet of cardstock to my local paint store and had them match the color, and this is the color of my craft room walls. So I love Lost Lagoon. Okay, look at, I have no I didn't see ahead of time. Sometimes I see ahead of time what's in the kit, and I've been so busy I haven't even looked for any sneak peeks. I mean, I saw the advertisement for it, and I got the add-on, so I had an idea of the feel, the artistic style, but other than that, I didn't know what it was going to be. I did know it was going to be little treat bags, and these are gorgeous. And little treat envelopes. Now, I love these. I do the welcome bags at the church I attend, and these are going to make great welcome bags or little notes. Okay, we have some laser cut foil. Look at that. This is a gorgeous kit. Laser cut foil. This one is unlaser cutted itself, but I'll poke it back in. All right, so you got some long ones and some short ones. And then, oh, here's some more. Let's see, are these also foil? Oh, nope, these are, oh, look how beautiful. So these are some more die cuts. Some sentiment labels. A couple extra, I counted. There's extra labels in case I make a boo-boo. And here, look at how beautiful these pumpkins are. Really, really pretty. Now it looks like the kit, when you're making it, the only thing you're stamping is the sentiment. Maybe, I'm not, nope, maybe some background here. Let's see if those are pre-printed. These bags look like linen. They're gorgeous, and you get 8. And they fold over like this. Now these would be great on a Thanksgiving table because they have that fall look. A lot of times the treat bags in the October, well, the September kit are Halloween themed and more geared towards Halloween treats, but these are fall and not Halloween, and they're gorgeous. Okay, so look at these. You're gonna fold these in. I hope they offer refills for these because I will use these bags up. They're gorgeous. And then you've got, you're gonna add these laser cuts. Gorgeous bag, and it's a nice size. These are lovely bags. Okay, I hope there are refills. And then, now something that bugs a lot of people, I'm not one of them, are when they do note card size on cards because they don't really go in the mail. These are the types of cards that you have to put in a gift bag or in here. So I think some people don't gravitate towards these, but I think these are lovely. And if you're doing a bridal, this could be jazzed up for a bridal shower, a fall, and surely you have people that you can give a thank you to. You can use these, you know, for teachers, coworkers, anyone who you see in person and you give a little card to. And then this is going to get embellished with, so it looks like you do stamp some of your stamps on the background to give more of a textured background. And then the embellishments go on top, and you're going to use the sentiments. So it's really pretty. Really, really pretty. There are instructions inside. Comes with your dimensionals and your tear and tape to attach the boxes. So everything you needed is included. Here are some glue dots. I love these little guys. And there you go. Okay, now let me show you the add-on that kind of goes with this. This is called With Love and Gratitude. So all the sentiments are thank you. This is a great fall thank you kind of thing, I think. I think it's lovely. All right, let me show you the add-on. Okay, this is the add-on, and I actually grabbed a couple of these because I thought it was really pretty, and I like writing. I like to write in notebooks. So this notebook is gorgeous, and I love notebooks. So just the notebook, I liked it. I know I'll use it. And then this was attached to the top, and it's just a little clip, a little binder clip that you can kind of clip where you're at in your notebook. Now, another thing that it came with, though, the first 2 pages you tear out. I don't know if you can see because the shine sometimes in video doesn't show up well, but you've got stickers. 2 pages, or was it 3? 2 pages of stickers. They're the same, so I just have to show you the one. And you can use these if you're doing a journal. You could throw a sticker on here. My thought was I tore these out of the first one I opened, and I think I can use these on cards. It says grateful, thankful, hopeful, creating memories. These are good for scrapbooks too, actually. They're really nice stickers. I really like the gold foil, and I feel like they're useful sentiments, so I really like it. It says gratitude journal, so that might be a great thing to put on here, and this could be a journal for that. And I bought a couple because, like I said, I like to write in notebooks. I have lots of notebooks, and I like pretty ones, and this one is certainly that. I opened the first one, and my daughter took it. So I have the, I had already torn the pages out with the stickers, so she doesn't get those, haha. But I lost the first notebook, so that's okay. I was able to get more. So those are available if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. If you go to the online store, you can pick up the add-on in the online store for subscribers. If you're not and you want one, let me know, and I can help you with that. And then also subscription. You can get Paper Pumpkin subscriptions month to month, and that means you just kind of pay as you go. You sign up, and every month they take out just the amount for that month's kit and debit it, and then you get it in the mail, and then you don't have to think about it. You don't have to think you're going to miss a month. Or you can buy a 6-month subscription, or a 12-month, or even a 3-month, even just a 1 month if you want to try it. And then that way you only buy the 1 month, and they send you a code, and you can validate it when you want. So maybe you knew this was going to be treat bags and you didn't want treat bags. I happen to know that next month we're already going towards a Christmas theme. So the October kit, even though it's October, is going to be a Christmas theme. Like it's a winter. I'm not sure if it's Christmas or just winter. I'll have to look into that actually. But I know it's winter scene. And so that one's going to be really pretty. And the next 2 kits kind of are both winter, and they kind of coordinate together. So those are going to be great. And I think they're cards. I think they're standard size cards. So look into that. So anyway, you might want to grab a subscription, and that way you get the Christmas ones coming up, the winter holiday ones. And then if you missed this one, because it's too late to get this one, by the 10th of the month, of the previous month, sorry, this month, it's already past the 10th, so you can't get this one anymore. I just got mine in the mail today. If you wished you did get it though, let me know. I always get extra, and that way if someone missed a month and they want to get one, I have one for you. So let me know. I don't get a lot, but I have a few, so let me know. Okay, here's the journal. Here's the kit. The bags are really pretty. I hope you like it. If you have any questions at all, let me know.